Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video on daily market analysis and stock updates. In this video, we will be discussing about three major updates we have today in the market. The first update is from HAL, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd. Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd has announced its dividend. We will discuss the details and the record date in this video. And we have our second update from Yatharth Hospitals regarding its highest stock price and the reason behind that. And we have our third update from India UPI digital expansion. So we'll discuss the details why India is expanding its UPI transactions payments to Mauritius, France and Sri Lanka. So we'll discuss these topics in this video. Before going to that, let's check Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty closings and how they reacted. In the morning, both Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty opened a flat opening, and after that we can see a good wick candle happening in the morning, and it marked the day high in Nifty as 21,831 points. And after that we can see the selling move continued till the day low of 21,574 points. And in the evening, Nifty closed at 21,612 points. So in the morning, the selling has been very aggressive, but in the second half of the market, we can see some consolidation in Nifty. Then coming to Bank Nifty opened below the closing price of yesterday, but after that a wick has been formed below the previous day closing, and it made a day high of 45,748 points. And after that the selling started and continued till the day low of 44,633 points. And in the evening it closed at 44,887 points. It has no consolidation when coming to Bank Nifty and Nifty comparison. Nifty consolidated a bit in the second half, but Bank Nifty continued to sell from the morning to the day low. So we can see a selling move today, and we can see the bearish trend in the market today in the live trading session. Now moving on to the first update we have from Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd. HAL, the aerospace and defense giant, announced a remarkable 9% rise in third quarter profit. HAL's consolidated net profit reached an impressive 1,261 crore rupees, equivalent to approximately $151.92 million for the period ending on December 31st. This surge in profit was attributed to the soaring demand for aircraft from the defense sector and a substantial gain related to inventory adjustments. Capital goods and manufacturing companies including HAL have seen significant benefits from the Indian government's push for higher capital expenditure. This push, initiated in the budget announced in February 2023, has spurred growth not only for HAL but also for other defense equipment manufacturers such as Gen Technologies, Bharat Electronics and Bharat Dynamics. HAL's revenue also saw a notable increase, rising by 7% to 6,061 crore rupees during the October-December period. However, it's important to note that HAL does not provide a segment-wise breakdown of its revenue. On the expense side, HAL experienced a decline of over 2%, amounting to 4,838 crore, benefiting from inventory-related changes worth 111 crore rupees. Last year, the company reported expenses of 255 crore rupees to account for its inventory of finished and unfinished goods. While total expenses decreased, raw material costs saw a significant uptick of nearly 37% due to the global rise in price of certain metals, including steel, during the quarter. HAL's clientele includes prestigious entities such as the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, along with aerospace giants Airbus and Boeing. This robust performance reflects HAL's continued commitment to excellence in the aerospace and defense sectors. Additionally, Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd reported its December quarter results on Monday, along with the announcement the first interim dividend of 440% or 22 rupees per equity share of 5 rupees face value each, fully paid up for the financial year 2023 and 24. The company further stated that record date for the payment of the first interim dividend will be Tuesday, that is 20th February 2024. Following this announcement, the stock HAL closed the day's trading down by 4.08% or 121.05 rupees. That is at 2,844.60 rupees on Monday. Now moving on to the second update from UPI services, the digital payment revolution. India has expanded its digital payment revolution by launching UPI services in Sri Lanka and Mauritius. Following the recent launch in France, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the launch, emphasizing the significance of fintech connectivity in strengthening cross-border transactions and economic ties. UPI, also known as Unified Payments Interface, has revolutionized digital payments in India with over 100 billion transactions last year alone, amounting to billions in various currencies including Sri Lankan rupees and Mauritius rupees. In addition to UPI, India has also launched RuPay cards in Mauritius, further enhancing financial connectivity between the two nations. This initiative not only facilitates payments for Indian citizens traveling abroad, but also benefits Mauritian nationals visiting India. PM Modi expressed confidence that the connection between UPI will drive digital transformation, positively impacting local economies and promoting tourism. Indian tourists will prioritize destinations with UPI, while people of Indian origin and students in Sri Lanka and Mauritius will also enjoy special benefits. Delighted by the expansion of RuPay cards into Africa via Mauritius, PM Modi highlighted the convenience and reduced need for hard currency for travelers to India. This move aligns with India's neighborhood first policy and its vision for legal regional growth and security. India's expansion of UPI services and RuPay cards signifies a major step towards seamless cross-border transactions, fostering economic growth and connectivity. Now, before moving on to the third update, like this video and subscribe to our channel Financial Radio and hit on the bell icon. And comment down your views and opinions on the usage and expansion of UPI transactions in France, Mauritius and Sri Lanka. Now, the third update is from Yatharth Hospitals. Yatharth Hospital shares hit a record high on the stock market driven by robust performance in the third quarter and the acquisition of Fidelis Hospitals. The stock surged as much as 3.7% on Monday, reaching a new peak of 459.85 rupees on the BSE. The company's market capitalization has surged to 3,850 crore rupees, a significant rise from its IPO price of 300 rupees per share. In the December quarter, Yatharth Hospitals reported a 39% increase in profit after tax, reaching 29.5 crore rupees. Revenue from operations also surged by 21%, that is to 166.8 crore rupees. Operating margins improved, with EBITDA rising by 29% year-on-year. Bed occupancy increased to 52%, and the average revenue per occupied bed rose to 29,309 rupees. The introduction of robotic surgeries and expansion of the organ transplant program contributed to improved case mix and profitability. Yatharth Hospitals announced the acquisition of Asian Fidelis Hospital for 116 crore rupees. This acquisition is expected to bolster Yatharth Hospital's presence in Delhi NCR market, aligning with the company's expansion strategy. With the acquisition, Yatharth Hospital's total bed capacity has increased to 1,405 beds, with a critical care program comprising 394 critical care beds. Founded in 2008, Yatharth Hospital and Trauma Care Services continues to grow its footprint in the National Capital Region, delivering superior healthcare services to its patients. That's all we have for today. If you really like this video, don't forget to share with your friends and also subscribe to our channel Financial Radio and hit the bell icon.